There's a common belief that almost every new gardener hears sooner or later. If you want to harvest more vegetables, you need a bigger garden. At first glance, that idea seems completely logical. More land should mean more room for roots to spread, more plants to grow, and bigger harvests at the end of the season. But after years of trial, error, and experience, countless skilled gardeners have discovered something surprising. Some vegetables don't just survive in containers, they actually perform better. They grow healthier, stay cleaner, suffer fewer problems, and often reward you with harvests that are just as impressive, if not better, than those grown in traditional garden beds. The secret has very little to do with the size of the container itself. Instead, it comes down to control. Container gardening allows you to create the perfect environment for every plant. You can choose loose, nutrient-rich soil, water more accurately without wasting moisture, reduce weeds before they become a problem, protect crops from many soil-borne diseases, and even move your plants throughout the day to give them the perfect amount of sunlight. These simple advantages may not seem dramatic at first, but together they can completely transform the way your vegetables grow. That's why more and more experienced gardeners are replacing large sections of their garden with carefully planned containers. Today, we're counting down 15 vegetables that actually thrive in containers, often outperforming those planted directly in the ground. As we move through the list, you may even discover a few vegetables that seasoned gardeners almost never grow in traditional beds anymore. Let's begin with number 15, radishes. If you've only recently started gardening, chances are radishes were among the first vegetables someone encouraged you to grow. There's a good reason for that. Very few crops reward your patience as quickly. In just a few short weeks after sowing the seeds, you can already pull crisp, colorful radishes from the soil. That fast turnaround gives beginners an exciting sense of accomplishment and builds confidence almost immediately. But there's something many gardeners don't realize until they've grown radishes for several seasons. While they grow quickly, they are also incredibly sensitive to the condition of the soil beneath them. If the ground is hard, compacted, or filled with rocks and debris, the roots struggle to expand evenly. Instead of harvesting smooth, round, crunchy radishes, you often end up with small, twisted, woody, or overly spicy roots that fall far short of expectations. This is exactly why container gardening has become the preferred method for growing radishes. A container filled with soft, loose, well-draining potting mix gives every root the freedom to grow without obstacles. There are no hidden stones to force the root in another direction and no compacted soil to limit its development. The result is beautifully shaped radishes with a more uniform size, better texture, and a cleaner appearance. Containers also make radishes one of the most space-efficient vegetables you can grow. Even if you only have a tiny balcony, patio, or porch, a single rectangular planter can produce an impressive number of radishes. Better yet, once you harvest one crop, you can immediately sow another batch without spending hours preparing the soil again. This continuous planting cycle means you can enjoy fresh harvests throughout the season with very little effort. Their short growing period brings another major advantage. Because radishes mature so quickly, they spend less time exposed to pests, diseases, and unpredictable weather. Weeds are easier to manage in containers, and harvesting becomes cleaner since muddy garden soil rarely splashes onto the roots. With just a little watering and occasional care, you'll soon have crisp, flavorful radishes ready to enjoy straight from your own home garden. If your goal is to grow a vegetable that delivers fast results, requires minimal maintenance, and makes excellent use of limited space, radishes are one of the smartest choices you can make. Moving on to number 14, carrots. Few vegetables create as much excitement during harvest as carrots. There's something magical about gently pulling one from the soil, never knowing exactly what shape is waiting beneath the surface. Sometimes you're rewarded with a long, perfectly straight carrot that looks as though it came directly from a grocery store. Other times, you uncover a root that twists, forks, or curls into strange shapes that leave you both amused and disappointed. Surprisingly, these unusual forms are rarely caused by poor care or inferior seed varieties. More often than not, the problem lies hidden underground. Carrots depend on one long taproot that grows deep into the soil throughout the season. Whenever that root encounters a stone, compacted earth, or another underground obstacle, it changes direction to keep growing. The result is the oddly shaped carrots so many gardeners know all too well. Containers solve this problem beautifully. A deep pot filled with light, loose, and well-draining soil creates an uninterrupted path for the taproot to grow naturally from start to finish. Without barriers blocking its progress, the carrot develops into a straighter, longer, and more attractive root. Many gardeners are genuinely amazed the first time they harvest carrots grown in containers because the difference in quality can be remarkable. Another hidden benefit is how much easier they are to care for throughout the growing season. Since the soil inside a container remains soft and undisturbed, the roots develop steadily without the stress caused by repeated digging or heavy foot traffic. Watering is easier to control, helping prevent sudden swings between overly dry and overly wet soil that can reduce carrot quality. Harvest time is equally satisfying. Instead of struggling with a shovel or worrying about accidentally snapping your crop underground, you simply grasp the leafy tops and gently pull. The carrots slide effortlessly from the soft growing medium, emerging clean, smooth, and almost completely free from damage. For gardeners working with small spaces, carrots prove an important lesson. You don't need acres of land to produce beautiful vegetables. A few deep containers placed in a sunny location can provide an abundant harvest that rivals or even surpasses a traditional garden. Sometimes success isn't about expanding your growing area. It's about creating the perfect conditions from the very beginning. Now let's look at number 13, bush beans. If you ask experienced gardeners which vegetables require the least effort after planting, bush beans almost always earn a place near the top of the list. During the first few weeks, they grow quietly without attracting much attention. Then, almost overnight, delicate blossoms begin to appear. Before long, those flowers transform into clusters of fresh bean pods hanging throughout the plant. Suddenly, what seemed like an ordinary little seedling becomes one of the most productive vegetables in the entire garden. Bush beans are especially well suited to containers because of their naturally compact growth habit. Unlike pole beans, which climb high and demand sturdy trellises for support, bush beans remain low, tidy, and self-supporting. They fit comfortably into containers without taking over your growing space or requiring complicated structures. Simply place the pot where it receives plenty of sunshine, keep the soil evenly moist, and let nature handle the rest. Harvesting becomes easier too, since the pods grow at a convenient height instead of hiding beneath sprawling vines. Every few days, you can pick tender beans with ease, and each harvest encourages the plants to produce even more flowers and fresh pods. Instead of providing only one large crop, healthy bush beans continue rewarding you with steady harvests for weeks, making them one of the most dependable vegetables for gardeners of every experience level point. One of the biggest reasons bush beans continue to gain popularity is the incredible balance they offer between simplicity and productivity. Unlike crops that demand constant pruning, tying, or careful training, bush beans ask for very little once they become established. A consistent watering schedule, plenty of sunlight, and occasional feeding are usually enough to keep them thriving throughout the season. Their compact nature makes them ideal for patios, balconies, and even small front porches where every inch of growing space matters. Even better, container-grown bush beans are easier to inspect for pests because the plants remain neat and accessible, allowing you to spot problems before they spread. For beginners, few vegetables provide such a satisfying experience. Within a relatively short time, you'll find yourself harvesting handful after handful of crisp, tender beans that are fresher than anything available at the grocery store. They prove an important lesson that many gardeners eventually discover for themselves. Productive gardening isn't always about growing the largest plants. Often, it's about choosing crops that naturally fit the space you have and allowing them to thrive under the right conditions. Now let's move to number 12, green onions. There are very few ingredients that appear in everyday cooking as often as green onions. Whether you're preparing soups, salads, stir-fries, sandwiches, grilled dishes, or simple homemade meals, they add freshness, color, and flavor with almost no effort. Because they are used so frequently, experienced gardeners have realized something incredibly practical. Green onions don't need to occupy valuable space in a distant garden bed. Instead, they perform beautifully in a small container placed just outside the kitchen door, where they're always within arm's reach whenever you need them. That simple convenience changes the entire gardening experience. Instead of walking across the yard every time you're preparing dinner, you can simply step outside, snip a few fresh stalks, and return to your meal within moments. It may sound like a small difference, but over the course of a growing season, it encourages you to cook with fresh ingredients far more often. Green onions are also perfectly suited to container gardening because their root systems remain compact. Even a modest planter can comfortably support dozens of plants without overcrowding them. This makes them an excellent choice for apartment balconies, urban patios, or homes where outdoor space is limited but the desire for fresh produce remains strong. Another reason green onions deserve a place in every container garden is their remarkable ability to regenerate. Instead of harvesting the entire plant, you simply cut the leaves while leaving the roots undisturbed. Within days, fresh green shoots begin growing again, allowing the same plants to provide repeated harvests throughout the season. Many gardeners even reuse the white bases left over after cooking, placing them back into soil where they quickly produce new growth. It's one of the easiest and most rewarding ways to turn ordinary kitchen scraps into fresh food. Children especially enjoy watching new leaves appear almost as if by magic, making green onions a wonderful introduction to gardening for the entire family. Container growing offers another practical benefit as well. Because the plants sit above ground level, heavy rain is far less likely to splash mud onto the leaves. Harvesting stays clean and comfortable, and you rarely need to kneel or bend repeatedly. A quick trim with a pair of scissors is often all it takes to gather enough fresh green onions for an entire meal. While they may never become the largest or most impressive plants in your collection, their everyday usefulness makes them one of the most valuable vegetables you can grow. Sometimes the true success of a garden isn't measured by giant harvests but by the small conveniences that improve daily life, and green onions deliver exactly that. Coming in at number 11 is parsley. A plant that quietly proves consistency is often more valuable than speed. Unlike vegetables that produce one large harvest before fading away, parsley rewards patience with an almost endless supply of fresh leaves. As the older stems mature around the outside of the plant, new growth continues emerging from the center, allowing you to harvest only what you need while the rest of the plant keeps growing. This simple growing habit makes parsley one of the easiest herbs to manage in containers. Because the soil, moisture, and sunlight are easier to control, container-grown parsley often remains healthier and more productive for a much longer period. During the hottest weeks of summer, you can simply move the container into a location that receives gentle morning sun and light afternoon shade, protecting the delicate leaves from excessive heat while encouraging steady new growth. This flexibility is one of the greatest advantages containers offer over traditional garden beds. Instead of forcing the plant to endure whatever weather arrives, you can adapt its environment to keep it thriving. Over the course of several months, a single healthy parsley plant can provide fresh herbs for soups, salads, roasted vegetables, pasta dishes, sauces, marinades, and countless everyday recipes. Each harvest encourages you to cook with fresher ingredients while saving repeated trips to the grocery store. Another overlooked advantage is cleanliness. Since the leaves remain elevated above muddy garden soil, they stay fresher after rainfall and require less washing before being added directly to your meals. The plant also remains easier to monitor for pests, making it simple to remove damaged leaves before problems spread. Although parsley may never command attention the way large fruiting vegetables do, experienced gardeners know its value extends far beyond appearance. It quietly produces week after week with very little maintenance, asking only for regular watering, occasional feeding, and the simple habit of harvesting frequently. Every handful of fragrant leaves reminds you that the most useful plants are not always the biggest ones. They are the ones that continue giving generously throughout the entire season. By now, a clear pattern has begun to emerge. The vegetables we've explored aren't successful in containers by accident. They thrive because containers create conditions that many plants naturally prefer: loose soil, better drainage, easier maintenance, cleaner harvests, and greater control over light and moisture. Not every vegetable slows down when the weather changes. In fact, some become even better, and kale is the perfect example. While many leafy greens struggle as temperatures drop, kale actually thrives. Cooler weather encourages the plant to develop a sweeter, richer flavor, making every harvest even more enjoyable. Growing kale in a container gives you complete control over its environment. During the hottest days of summer, you can simply move the pot to a spot with afternoon shade to protect the leaves from becoming tough or bitter. Then, when cooler weather returns, place it back in full sunlight and watch fresh, healthy leaves continue to grow. Instead of harvesting the entire plant at once, simply pick the older outer leaves while allowing the center to keep producing new growth. This simple method gives you fresh, nutritious greens for months from just a few plants. Next comes eggplant, a vegetable that often gets a reputation for being difficult. But the truth is, eggplants don't need complicated care. They simply love consistency. They thrive in warm temperatures, plenty of sunshine, and well-drained soil. Containers provide exactly that. Because you can move the plant whenever needed, it's easy to keep it in the sunniest location and protect the roots from sitting in overly wet soil after heavy rain. Once the plant settles into the right conditions, beautiful purple flowers quickly appear, followed by glossy fruits that seem to grow almost overnight. Even better, harvesting mature eggplants encourages the plant to produce even more flowers, rewarding you with continuous harvests throughout the season while also adding striking beauty to your patio or balcony. Now let's talk about potatoes, one of the most exciting vegetables to harvest. Unlike most crops, everything happens underground, leaving you guessing what's developing beneath the soil. Traditional harvesting often means digging carefully and hoping you don't damage the potatoes you've waited months to grow. But containers completely change that experience. When harvest time arrives, simply tip the grow bag or container over and watch fresh potatoes roll out before your eyes. It's clean, easy, and incredibly satisfying. This method not only protects your harvest from accidental cuts, but also turns harvesting into a fun experience for the whole family. Coming in next is lettuce, one of the freshest vegetables you can grow at home. Anyone who's tasted lettuce picked just minutes before a meal knows there's simply no comparison to store-bought leaves. The biggest challenge with lettuce is heat. As temperatures rise, the plant quickly begins flowering, causing the leaves to become bitter. Containers solve this problem beautifully. By moving the plant to a location with morning sunshine and gentle afternoon shade, you can keep it cooler and extend the harvest for weeks. Instead of removing the entire plant, harvest only the larger outer leaves and let the center continue producing fresh growth. This simple cut-and-come-again method keeps salads on your table for much longer from a single container. And finally, number 6, peppers. At first glance, a pepper plant covered with lush green leaves looks incredibly healthy, but that doesn't always mean it's producing plenty of fruit. In large garden beds, peppers sometimes spend too much energy growing foliage instead of developing peppers. Containers naturally help balance that growth. With a slightly restricted root system, the plant begins focusing more on flowering and fruit production. The result is a steady supply of colorful peppers ripening week after week instead of all at once. Since containers can always be placed in the sunniest part of your yard, the plants receive the bright light they need to stay productive throughout the growing season. Even just a few healthy pepper plants can provide more fresh peppers than most families can use during an entire summer. As you can already see, successful gardening isn't about owning a huge backyard. It's about giving every plant the perfect conditions to grow. And the vegetables still waiting at the top of our list prove that even more clearly. In the final part, we'll reveal the 5 container plants that many experienced gardeners simply refuse to grow in the ground anymore, including the herb that deserves the #1 spot.